Hey VegNews family, I'm Chef Eddie Garza, food editor for VegNews magazine. Today, I am in the VegNews test kitchen and you cannot even believe how excited I am because we found OmniPork at our local Whole Foods. I have been craving dumplings forever now. So I have the perfect ingredients to add to the OmniPork to make the most delicious dumplings and spicy peanut sauce for all of you VegNews readers. There's a lot to do, folks, so let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to salt our cabbage. We're gonna add just a little bit of salt to some napa cabbage to help draw the water out. And while this is doing its magic, let's get the other ingredients mixed together. So I'm gonna take my package of OmniPork and I'm gonna add it into a large bowl. Wow, this looks like real pork. And now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. I'm starting with about 2 stalks of green onion. We'll just add that right in here. 1 clove of garlic. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. About a teaspoon of sesame oil. And a tablespoon of rice vinegar. We'll give this all a nice little toss. And now let's squeeze out the water from our cabbage. Perfect. Now we'll toss this right in and give it another mix. This is smelling so delicious already. This smells so delicious. Now let's get to wrapping our dumplings. So I'm gonna take a dumpling wrapper and I'm gonna add just a little bit of my filling right in the center of the wrapper. Make sure you don't overfill it or it's gonna be a little bit hard to close. So with these dumpling wrappers, we're gonna simply moisten the edges so we can pull them together. I'm using pre-made wrappers, so you need to moisten the edges. If you're using homemade dough, you don't need to do this. So I'm gonna put this right over the other edge and I'm gonna fold right in the center. I'll repeat 3 to 4 times until my dumplings are filled, and then I'll continue on the other side. So fold and pinch, fold, pinch, fold and pinch. And you want to give it a whole pinch, make sure that it's nicely sealed, and set it aside, and we'll continue. Look at these gorgeous dumplings. Now let's get some water boiling and make our spicy peanut sauce. Yum. Now that our water is boiling, let's make our spicy peanut sauce. So we're gonna take just a little bit of peanut butter. I'm using creamy, unsweetened peanut butter, adding this right to a larger bowl. Gonna add some rice vinegar right into the bowl. 1 clove of garlic, minced. Got a tablespoon of soy sauce. Some chili oil. Sesame oil. And to add a little bit of heat, we're gonna add our chili flakes. And we'll mix this all together. So yummy. We are ready to boil. So we'll add our dumplings in one at a time. Make sure they don't get stuck to the bottom, so you do want to go in with your spoon And we'll cook this just a few at a time so that we don't overclump the pot. This is gonna cook very fast in about 3 to 4 minutes, so keep a close eye out. And our dumplings are ready. Again, these cook very quickly. We're gonna make sure to strain these before we plate them. Oh my goodness. I can already tell these are gonna be delicious. Now we'll add these to our serving plate. And we'll drizzle with some of our sauce right at the top. Give it a generous pour. And then we'll garnish with some more green onion. So that's all, folks. Vegan pork dumplings with OmniPork. I'm absolutely in love with it for its texture, for its taste, everything. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna give this 2 oinks and 2 thumbs up. And I wanna know what you would do with OmniPork. Would you make tacos, pizza? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, stay right here with us in the VegNews Test Kitchen. I'm gonna keep eating.